Welcome back to Crazy Dave's Crew. I'm Laura, and we're going to open up the September Simply Earth Essential Oil box. Don't forget there is a link in the description, and you will get $10 off your first 5 boxes. I also want to point out that 13% of their profits will go to help end human trafficking. So not only are they wanting to take care of the earth and be natural, they're also wanting to take care of people, which is really great. This is an independently owned business right here in the US of A. And they really believe strongly in having a simply earth home and lifestyle. Please forgive the light over here. I'm filming in front of our microgreen grow rack, and I would open it to show you, but you would be blinded by the light. So let's see what we got in September. And I have got to find a day, probably after our weekend markets end, to go through some of all these recipes I've been collecting and make up some Christmas presents. And yes, I will make sure that you get to see what all I've made and that kind of thing. But for September, I do love these boxes. Alright, I got for making your own deodorant. And I got a body wash powder. Some shea butter. I think I'm saying that right. Shea, S-H-E-A, shea butter. And we got Simply Pure Promise. So this is a mix. Sorry. We have Pine Essential Oil. We have Ho Wood. That's a new one. I'm looking forward to opening that one up and seeing what that smells like. Autumn Air. So Autumn Air is a pre-mixed essential oil. And I have a cool mist humidifier that it's safe for me to drop some oils in. I do want to be careful though, because I did read that cats don't like essential oils. And we do have some cats. And bergamot. And I know a lot of people will just look at these papers and they'll just toss them. Don't. Because they always include scan codes. Join our Body Wash VIP launch group for exclusive discount. So that's good for that one. And this one is a free guide to making your own body wash. Let's see. Everyday Essentials 0 to Hero. And it says introducing custom body wash powered with essential oil. Full size launching October 5th. So this was the September box. And they always include some stickers for the essential oils for you to put on the top, which I'll admit when I first saw these I thought, well, that's silly, I can just look on the side. No, it's really awesome to have these little stickers on the top of your bottles. And then you have stickers for any products that you make from the recipe cards that they include. So Autumn Splendor Diffuser Blend, Bergamot Kiss Lip Balm, Falling Leaves Roll-On, Lumberjack Body Wash, Enchanted Forest Solid Lotion Bar. Actually, that may be what that's for. Yep, empty deodorant tube. And Fall Orchard Body Wash. I can't read or speak today. But I do really like these. I like having the different varieties. Slowly, you know, building up my little collection without it being a huge outlay all at once. And so be on the lookout over the next couple months for me to be showing you what I've made. I already have some foam hand wash bottles that I'd bought from Amazon, so I've got that to make for one. There's just a, oh, and I've got some diffuser bottles. So we're going to have a fun time, and I can see these being some things I might sell at the market. I can see these as being some really awesome Christmas presents. Co-workers, church, secret sister, family members, secret Santas, and just planning on starting the new year right, being a little bit more natural, a little bit more simple. And don't forget, you can save $10 off of your first 5 boxes. So don't forget to click that link in the description. And no cost outlay to you, but you're watching the videos, you're liking them, you're sharing them, really helps us out as a small business, I guess you'd say we are. Gets the word out there of who we are and what we're doing. And we do earn a little bit of a, you know, kickback from the ads. So the more you watch, the more it helps us out. And of course, with Christmas and 3 kids in college, we can use all the help we can get. And if you happen to know anybody who has a farm that they don't know what to do with, send them our way. We would love to be able to help out with that. I hope you're having a marvelous day. I hope you have a marvelous week. Be on the lookout for more videos. I have been really ramping up with us doing these markets. I've really been distracted, but that's going to be coming to an end. Unfortunately, farmers markets don't always last all winter long. So I'll have a lot more time to finish that quilt and do some other projects, including my more natural herbalism, essential oils, Simply Earth projects. So be sure to subscribe and click that button. And don't forget to check out our sister channel, or my husband channel, my spouse channel, of Crazy D Ranch and Rabbitry. And we are videoing this right from our teeny tiny 1/4 acre Tennessee homestead. Don't forget to come back, and I will see you next time right here on Crazy Dave's Crew. Thanks for watching.